Hi there everybody, it's Dr. Steve with Kinesi, and this is going to be a get up transitional movement, meaning we're going to go from standing down to the ground and then from the ground back up. And they call this a tripod get up. Sometimes I think it should be called a bipod get up because we have one arm and one leg. But what the deal is, if you're going down to the ground, it's where you reach all the way down to the ground with one hand, and then the other, the closer foot lifts up, so we're on the opposite arm and leg, and then you lower yourself down to the ground. So that's where it's considered a tripod get up is the official name, but it's really bipod because you're on the one arm and opposite leg. So to reverse it from back up, if you're sitting, one hand goes down onto the ground, you bend up the opposite knee, then it's pushing down with the shoulder and lifting your hips with the leg so that we're getting the hips up. The other foot is where you step through and then stand all the way up. Now, one of the common kind of little mistakes or just things that'll make it a little difficult is from going down. If you're trying to come up, trying to get your feet too narrow is where then it's a little bit tricky to get yourself all the way up. So if you try and bring your feet into a wide base of support, so if we're going down, there we are, and if we're coming back up, hand, opposite foot, and then you're trying to really use the shoulder and the leg to lift the hips up high enough so this leg can get all the way through into a wide base of support. And then it's much easier to come up to standing and be more secure and stable. So a great exercise is just alternating sides and going back and forth. So then you would go down on one side, kind of come back up, and then switch to going down on the other side, come back up, and that is your tripod get up. That is a surprising amount of work, but really, really good for you. Have fun with that one, everybody.